Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are going to look at the difference between Hoda and Kannada. There is a slight difference when it comes to the sounds of Hoda and Kannada. Before that, let's first see what Hoda and Kannada are. So Hoda and Kannada are two matras that we use in Gurmukhi to change the sounds of the Mukta letters. This is how Hoda and Kannada look like. This is my Hoda. Okay. And this is my Kannada. Box is the letter, you can say. So this is Hoda and this is Kannada. The sound of Hoda is O, the English alphabet, and the sound of Kannada is A, like in awkward, AW. So these are the two things that we have to remember. First thing is that Hoda and Kannada both are the matras that we have to put on the top of the letters. Second one is the sounds of the Hoda and Kannada. Hoda is going to give the sound of O and Kannada is going to give the sound of A. Now let's talk about some of the letters in Gurmukhi and attach Hoda and Kannada to see how the sounds change when we attach them. Let's do that in parallel. Okay, so in this column we are having the Mukta letters. Mukta letters are letters where we have not attached any matra. Here we are having Hoda and here we are having Kannada. Let's try to understand the difference between the sounds of a Mukta letter and once we have attached a Hoda and then Kannada. This is my Kakka. Kakka is going to give the sound of K. So now I have put Hoda on the top of Kakka. The sound of Hoda is O. So the original sound was K. I have attached Hoda on the top of the letter. It becomes Ko. Right? And when we have attached Kannada on the top of the letter Kakka, its sound will be A. So it is going to change the sound of the letter Kakka and put the sound A on the top of the letter. So this becomes Ka. Ko, Ka. Simple, right? This is Gagga. Gagga is going to give the sound of G. I have put a Hoda. This becomes Go. And then this one Ga. Go, Ga. Tanka, Ta, To, Ta. To, Ta. Tatta, Ta, To, Ta. To, Ta. Easy, right? So you just have to remember the different sounds that we are going to get from Hoda and Kannada. The last one is Tadda. Tadda is going to give the sound of Ta, To, Ta. To, Ta. So this is the difference between the sounds of Hoda and Kannada. I'm going to repeat it again that you have to remember the sound of Hoda as the sound of O and the sound of Kannada as the sound of A, like in awkward. If you remember it in this way, it will be very easy to remember what type of sound you are going to get once you have attached either a Hoda or a Kannada. So this is the difference between the sounds that we are going to get once we have attached a Hoda or Kannada. Please let me know in the comment section below if you still have any questions related to Hoda and Kannada. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।